Yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the Team Gullit YouTube channel. My name is Renzo, and today we have a video about a question that we get asked so much that we thought we have to make a video about this. On YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, everywhere you guys ask about what gaming monitor should I use? Especially for FIFA probably, because you guys are playing FIFA if you're watching us or if you're following us. But I'm going to tell you guys everything that I know which suits a perfect FIFA gaming monitor. Just gonna discuss it in general. So yeah, a bit of a different video, not too much talk about FIFA this time, but don't worry, we got you covered in the upcoming videos. So let's just, like always, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start explaining what specifics you should be looking for in general to buy a gaming monitor or a monitor that you would use for playing FIFA. The most important is the 1 millisecond latency, it's called. I think it's called monitor latency to be perfect, but what does this mean? It pretty much means that it takes 1 millisecond for the monitor to register your input. So FIFA, it's known to be kind of a game that has a little bit of delay, but the input that we perform with our controller, we want that to display on the monitor as quickly as possible. Well, the quickest latency that is possible right now is 1 ms. There's nothing lower than 1 ms, I think, on monitors. So just go for a monitor with 1 ms. There's plenty of them that offer 1 ms latency, so you should definitely want to go for that. Pair that up with a monitor with high frequency of Hz. I think it's called Hertz officially, but you want to be looking for a monitor with the highest Hz rate that's possible. For example, 120, 144 is pretty high. What does that exactly mean? It means that the screen that's being displayed refreshes as quickly as possible. So if you're playing a game that's really fast-paced, probably not FIFA. FIFA is, you should be good with like 60 hertz even. But if you're playing maybe the newest Call of Duty game or a racing game, for example, where you're constantly entering a new frame at pretty fast rates, right? Like if you're in a driver's seat, for example, of a car that's moving at like 350 kilometers per hour, there's constantly new frames coming. It's a bit technical, but yeah, just take it for whatever it is. Like, I've also looked up this information to possibly explain this to you guys, and obviously you want to go for the full HD experience at least. If you like to game a lot casual as well, or you're playing a lot of multiple different games, so let's say, for example, you're a fan of Skyrim or The Witchers, you want to optimally enjoy the environment, because usually they make pretty detailed maps in those games. You want probably want to have a 4K resolution monitor to optimally enjoy that. In FIFA, you're probably good with a full HD monitor. And yeah, that brings up, what monitor do we use? Well, we have a partnership with BenQ, so I'm going to advise you this monitor. All the pro players really enjoy this monitor as well, so it's not like I'm just telling you guys this because of BenQ. But yeah, this monitor, the Mobiuz EX2510S, 24.5 inch, 1920 to 1080 frames, which means full HD. It can support 4K as well, which makes it really enjoyable to play different games as well. HDR, it's just something, I don't know, it's full high HDR dynamic range, which is very good. 1 ms and FreeSync premium, and I mean, it just looks good. This monitor has everything that we want. 1 ms, it's at least full HD. It has 144 Hz, actually, it supports that. I think the PS5 goes to 120 maximum. So you can put the PS5 on the maximum performance possible. I mean, it's just very good. You can enjoy this for FIFA for sure, but also other games it will just display the game at a perfect resolution. And like I said, this won't cause you to have any extra input delay or other form of lag. So yeah, we answered the question. Take it for whatever you guys want. Obviously, you're free to buy whatever you think, because the monitor can be expensive for some people out there. But just be looking for these specifications. And next time, we're going to be back with a FIFA video defending tutorial coming up. See you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.